Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to my kitchen. We're back here at my kitchen because I'm preparing a shopping list. The other day, I got a lot of fruits and veggies to make food around the house. Now, I have to see if I have some items from the other food groups. I'm talking about grains, dairy, and proteins. Proteins are super important because they help us grow. They are present in beans, meats, and eggs. Grains come from veggies. They're usually seeds and they're present in cereals, bread, and pasta. Dairy products come from milk and they help us get strong bones. Can you think of dairy products? I'm going to go see what I have in my house. You repeat after me, okay? Also, I'm looking for a good friend of mine that's in the house. His name is Leaky. Can you help me find him?
Okay, Jay.
Proteins.
Proteins.
There I have meat,
Meat.
pepperoni,
Pepperoni.
ham,
Ham.
tuna fish,
Tuna fish.
lentils,
Lentils.
beans,
Beans.
eggs,
Eggs.
dairy,
Dairy.
here I have milk,
Milk.
cheese,
Cheese.
cream,
Cream.
yogurt,
Yogurt.
butter,
Butter.
grains,
Grains.
I have pasta,
Pasta.
flour,
Flour.
bread.
Bread.
What are minions doing on my bread? Rice and quinoa,
Rice and quinoa.
nuts and seeds.
Nuts and seeds.
Okay, so what do I need? In the proteins, I need chicken, fish, and more eggs. For grains, I need cereal, rice, pasta, and bread. In the dairy section, I need more milk, cheese, yogurt, and maybe some ice cream? Don't forget to get more fruits and veggies! Here's my shopping list. I'm ready with my list. Now I have to find Leaky to go to the store. Did you see him? Leaky! 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 I am Leaky the Leak, and I approve this message. Now, let's talk about the activities for this week. First graders, make a video presentation. Put 2 products of each category. 2 proteins, 2 grains, and 2 dairy products. Label the products and make a video of you saying the products.
Proteins, hams, eggs, dairy, butter, milk, grains, pasta, flour.
You can be on screen or not. You choose. Second and third graders, make your own shopping list. Look in your refrigerator. Look in your pantry. See what grains, dairy products, and proteins you need. Talk to mom and dad about helping you make your own shopping list. If you're a second grader, put at least 2 items per category. If you're a third grader, put at least 3 items per category. Then make a video reading your shopping list.
My shopping list. Proteins. I need chicken, meat, and eggs. Grains. I need pasta, oatmeal, and bread. Dairy. I need milk, ice cream, and goat cheese.
Have fun doing the activities, and we'll see you next time. My shopping list is ready. Okay, boys and girls, I'm ready to go. I have my list, I have some bags, and once I find my good friend Leaky, I'm gonna be ready to go to the store. Okay? I'll see you next video. Bye, girls!
Bye, Jay.